everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have another meringue cookie video to share with you. I saw a recipe for meringue cookies filled with lemon curd and thought I'd do a little twist by filling them with different flavors of curds. So if you watched my meringue gingerbread cookie video, you know a basic meringue cookie recipe calls for meringue powder or egg whites, sugar, water, and flavoring. Here I've got vanilla extract. So you're basically just going to throw all your meringue powder and water into your mixer. If you're using egg whites instead of meringue powder, you would just start by whipping them alone in the bowl. Now, I probably did this backwards, but I added the vanilla and then started adding my sugar. You want to add your sugar just a little bit at a time, not all at once. And you're going to notice it's starting to get fluffy. Your mixture should be smooth, not grainy. So if you rub some between your fingers and you can still feel the sugar, keep mixing. I mixed mine for quite a while and it was still feeling grainy, so I went ahead and added some more water. This is what you want right here, some nice stiff peaks. Not really sure what happened to my camera here, but hopefully you can see what I'm doing. You're going to pipe little circles onto parchment paper. Don't do them like I did here. Ideally, you want to make a flat round disc first and then go back and make a ring along the outer edge to hold your filling. I did mine as circles and then tried to fill them in, but I still ended up with holes since the meringue doesn't expand, so the curd leaked out a little bit when I filled some of mine. You're going to bake these at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes, and then turn the oven off and crack the oven door with something like a wooden spoon. What you don't want is for your cookies to have any sort of sudden changes in temperature, or they'll crack. I left mine in the oven overnight with the oven off to cool down slowly. Time for our fillings. You can see here I have 3 different kinds: blackberry, pineapple mango, and strawberry. And as I mentioned before, I will link a video separately showing how these were made. These cookies are really delicate, so use an offset spatula to get them off the parchment paper. Fill them with flavor of your choice. If you're making these around the holiday time especially, you can get even more creative with your shapes. I did a really haphazard job here of a Christmas tree, but you get the idea. Just be aware that when you make them this big, you're probably going to need to serve them with a plate and utensils. I stored my filled cookies in the fridge because of the curds. The meringue part alone you can seal in an airtight container for quite a while, but the curd has a shorter lifespan. I also noticed that the curd filling in the cookies got thicker and almost gummy eventually in the fridge, so you might want to make the meringue part ahead of time, but wait until you're within a day of serving them to put the filling in. And there you go, some delectable pillows of sweet air you can enjoy with friends and family. Seriously, my fiance thought this was the best thing ever. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video nearly as much as my fiance enjoyed these cookies, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can also hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when new videos go up. And until next time, take care. Bye!